What you smashed, chisel out 2 stone tablets like the first ones. Come up to me on the mountain, and I will write on the tablets the same words that were on the ones you smashed. Deuteronomy 10:1-2. In Deuteronomy 10, God took Moses to the top of Mount Sinai and encompassed the mountain in a great cloud with lightning and thunder. It was a powerful, holy, majestic moment when the finger of God inscribed the 10 Commandments on 2 stone tablets. But afterward, when Moses saw the Israelites worshipping a golden calf, he was so angry that he raised the stone tablets, something sacred that God had entrusted to him, and smashed them into pieces. We all have mishandled something incredibly valuable that God has given us. Perhaps we let our anger, our pride, our having to be right tear a precious relationship apart. We mishandled the career God gave us. We gave in to compromise and lost our integrity. If God gave us what we deserve, we'd be done. But God is the God of another chance. He said to Moses and to us, in effect, you smashed something sacred. But if you go back up the mountain, I'll give it to you again. Don't let guilt or regrets keep you back. He's going to restore what you threw down.